Let's jump into a call and use some of the advanced call functions. There are two ways to transfer a call, an attended transfer or a blind transfer. As the name suggests, an attended transfer is the recommended method. An attended transfer is when you call the destination of the transfer to confirm that the call can be handled. A blind transfer is when you transfer to a designated number without any knowledge of whether that call can be handled or not. Let's do an attended transfer. When on the call, tap ATT transfer to begin the process. This will place the call on hold and open your most recently used tab. You can use any of the calling methods to transfer the call, but for the sake of this example, let's transfer the call to a system contact via the Contacts tab. Tap the Contacts tab. If your destination has a red busy lamp field indicating that they are on a call, they may not take your call. Tap your designated contact and then tap their number to initiate the call. Once your call is answered, tap the green transfer button at the bottom of the screen to finalize the process. The call has now been successfully transferred to your designated destination. But what if your contact doesn't answer the call or does not wish to receive the transfer? Let's run through that scenario. When on a call, tap the ATT transfer. As before, tap your designated contact and tap their extension to initiate the call. If they are not answering, tap the End Call button to return to the original call. If they do answer, but do not wish to receive the transfer, tap the Cancel button at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the End Call icon. You will be returned to the original call. There are some circumstances where an attended transfer is not required. If that is the case, you can save some time by doing a blind transfer. A blind transfer follows the same process as an attended transfer, except that once you call the destination, the transfer happens immediately. Let's do a blind transfer now. When on the call, tap Transfer to begin the process. As with an attended transfer, either enter a number on the keypad or go to your Contacts tab to choose a system contact. Let's choose a system contact. Tap the name of the contact and then tap their extension number to call. The call has now been transferred. Using the Parkline is an example of when a blind transfer is helpful. The Parkline is a destination that anyone on your system can access. If a call is placed on the Parkline, any member of your system can pick it up simply by tapping the Park icon in the Quick Dial tab. Let's first transfer a call to the Parkline. When on the call, tap the transfer icon to initiate the process. As before, this will place the call on hold. Then navigate to the Quick Dial tab and tap the Park icon. The call has now been transferred to the Park line. To pick up any call from the Park line, navigate to the Quick Dial tab. If the busy lamp field indicates that the Park line is busy, it means that there is a call waiting to be addressed. Tap the Park icon to pick the call up. You are now on the call. The last advanced call feature that is available is adding another party to the call, or conference calling. Let's go through that process. When on the call, tap the Add Call icon in the middle of the bottom row. The call has now been placed on hold. The process to add a caller from here is similar to the one to transfer a call. you can use the keypad or the Contacts tab to call another party and add them to the call. To add a system contact to the call, go to the Contacts tab and tap the name of the extension that you wish to call. Tap their number to call. Once they pick up and confirm that they will join the call, tap the Join icon in the middle of the bottom row. You have both returned to the original caller, and there are now 3 parties on the call.